Hey guys, I'm Koha. I go to the gym after school and she teaches me European language during the week.
Dormir.
I went to the park with them after school. I forgot the name, but it was very beautiful and a quiet place. And we went to the bar as usual, and we were all excited till night. She's my Korean friend who had studied in Auckland, New Zealand, just like me, so we got along well. Me and my boyfriend went to the Queen Elizabeth Park, which is really beautiful. This week and next week, many of my friends are going back to their home countries, so we all went to this famous restaurant for brunch. It made me very, very sad to think that today was the last time I spent studying abroad with these people who had been hanging out almost every day. This day, my Brazilian friend goes back to her country. We spent many times together, so we're so sad and crying. I never forget all memories with her and hope to see you again. I went to downtown from the airport because it's held one of the biggest fireworks festival at the beach. I met a policeman and a patrol on horseback. There were so many people there, it was crazy. This fireworks display will be held for a few days, and fireworks from each country will be set off to decide the winner. And today, Japanese fireworks will be set off. COVID-19, I couldn't even go to the fireworks display in Japan. I was impressed by the beauty of fireworks and the high level of Japanese technology. I was proud and happy as Japanese with lots of cheers. Above all, I miss Japan and put on the yukata and buy baby castra and hold the yo-yo and listen to the sounds of Japanese drum. friends came to Canada in the summer, so I took them to many good places.
Is it too much to wonder? I'll be here waiting. I'll be here waiting, waiting.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. See you next time.